Hi guys, I'm Ange and I'm back to interrupt your week with a very simple terrazzo clay slab. I see a lot of my fellow clay crafters ask what to do with scrap clay, and doing a terrazzo slab is one of my favorite ways of making good use of my scraps. To make this slab, I first flatten my main slab into the number 4 setting on my ruler. I like neatening my edges so that I see the exact space I'm working with. Now, I flatten out my scraps into the number 6 setting. In this tutorial, I am using the scrap clay that I had left over from my tropical-inspired slab. I'm placing a link above in case you've missed watching this. This is the reason why I'm working with the exact same color palette. Using a tissue blade, I randomly make cuts on each color. Then, I use my detail needle to lift each piece up and place it down on my slab. There is really no order to my placement. I just stick it to where it looks good. When the slab is completely filled, I get some parchment paper and a manual roller and roll lightly across the slab to secure all the pieces in place. And that is it for my super short tutorial. I hope that you like this. If you haven't yet, do consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. I respond to all your comments, so if you have questions, just comment it down below. Thanks for watching and have a crafty week ahead. Bye!